my.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never stay. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas. Right, as you fade away.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hanging with Dash TV. So guys, today, guess what? I got a surprise. So guys, today's portion of this sponsored video is from FATHS Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs. Thank you so much for sending me this package. I'm so excited to unbox it. So let's go. So guys, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So here is the package. So now guys, we are going to unbox it. Okay guys, so now I got it open. Guys, this is a big surprise for me. And I have never get any of these packages before like this, so let's get it. Oh my guys, oh my god, this looks so cute. Guys, this is Ulta Beauty. Oh my god. Guys, this looks so cute. I'm gonna unbox it, guys. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna open this part. I have never. Guys, look what I got. I got eyelashes. I got a, this is a hydrating tinge moisturizer. I got some, like, look like wipes. I got, right here, I got some makeup in here. I got lip balm. I got face primer or something like that. And I don't know what's in here because like, it's not opening. Oh, there we go. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my god. I have brushes. I have like the under eye thing. Oop. And I have some more lip balm and I have some lip gloss. Oh my god, guys, this looks so nice. So this is so beautiful. I love it so much and I'll be using this for a long time. So guys, thank you so much, FATHS and Funhouse Mommy Vlogs, for giving me this package. It is so beautiful and I'm going to enjoy this box so much. I appreciate it so much. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. And guys, before we go, I just want to say that don't forget to subscribe to FATHS Funhouse. Go over there and go subscribe to FATHS Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs and go and follow their Instagram, link in the description down below. I am so loving this whole Ulta Beauty makeup like box. Thank you so much for it. I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much for the package, and thank you for sponsoring me. Bye.
Look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Okay guys, so this is what I have in my Ulta Beauty box. So what I have is I have hydrating tinted moisturizer. I have eyelashes. I have wipe for my face. I have a makeup palette. I have a makeup palette with lip liner. I have lip gloss. I have makeup brushes and a eye primer. And I have lip balm and face primer.
Smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong.